All right, fluent readers, I just want to remind you that when we're talking about short vowels, when a single vowel or one vowel in a syllable or a word part is followed by a consonant, the vowel usually has a short sound. So if we are looking at the spelling like apple, we have the word band. There is a consonant after this single vowel or one vowel, so it's going to make it short. Let's look at this word, planted. There's our consonant after our vowel. I'm going to go ahead and just put a line right here because that is our syllable break. Planted. There's still only one syllable or one vowel in each syllable, so they're both going to be short. Let's look at like elephant. We have bell and tested. Let's look at that consonant S right after that vowel and put our break. Tested. They're both going to be short. Like insect, we have milk, wishing. Now, together, that is our consonant together because it makes one sound. So we put it after this. Wishing. Like octopus, frog, hottest. Right in between those two. Hot test. Umbrella. We have bus and puppy. There is our break. Puppy. All right, look at these 4 words. Go ahead and read these words. All right, so this first one is trash can, sick, got, and lunch. All right, it's time to take out that My Word Study book again, and you are going to flip open. This is what you practiced yesterday. Go ahead and read through those words one more time to build that automaticity. But then you're going to direct your attention to this side, how animals stay warm. Go ahead and whisper read this story to yourself. And then once you're done, I want you to go through and circle any word in this text that has a short vowel. So if it has an A like apple, E like elephant, I like insect, like umbrella, or like octopus, you are going to circle that word so that you are aware of where those words are as you are reading.